International Day of Friendship.
The International Day of Friendship is a United Nations observance celebrated annually on July 30th. It aims to promote the importance of friendship as a fundamental aspect of human solidarity and cooperation. The day was proclaimed by the United Nations General Assembly in 2011 with the idea that friendship between peoples, countries, cultures, and individuals can inspire peace efforts and build bridges between communities. It serves as an opportunity to foster friendships, reconcile differences, and promote understanding and dialogue among people from diverse backgrounds. The International Day of Friendship encourages individuals, organizations, and communities to engage in activities that promote dialogue, mutual understanding, and reconciliation. These activities can range from organizing events, seminars, and conferences to promoting initiatives that bring people from different cultures and backgrounds together. Friendship is seen as a crucial element in addressing the challenges of our time, such as poverty, conflict, discrimination, and social isolation. By fostering friendships, people can create a sense of belonging, respect, and empathy, contributing to a more peaceful and inclusive world. The International Day of Friendship highlights the significance of friendship in promoting social harmony, understanding, and solidarity among individuals and communities worldwide.
Actions to promote a culture of peace.
Foster a culture of peace through education. Promote sustainable economic and social development. Promote respect for all human rights. Ensure equality between women and men. Foster democratic participation. Advance understanding, tolerance and solidarity. Support participatory communication and the free flow of information and knowledge. Promote international peace and security. Our world faces many challenges, crises and forces of division, such as poverty, violence, and human rights abuses, among many others, that undermine peace, security, development and social harmony among the world's peoples. To confront those crises and challenges, their root causes must be addressed by promoting and defending a shared spirit of human solidarity that takes many forms, the simplest of which is friendship. Through friendship, by accumulating bonds of camaraderie and developing strong ties of trust, we can contribute to the fundamental shifts that are urgently needed to achieve lasting stability, weave a safety net that will protect us all, and generate passion for a better world where all are united for the greater good.